Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a quirky Git feature, Autocorrect, specifically, why its speed is, shall we say, too fast for even Formula One drivers. It's a wild ride.
Ooh, sounds intriguing. So what's the gist? Is Git trying to become a racing simulator now?
Haha, not quite. It all started with a tweet from DHH, a Ruby programmer who also happens to be a semi-pro race car driver. He mistyped a Git command, git pushy, and Git, unbelievably, auto-corrected it to git push in a mere 0.1 seconds.
0.1 seconds? That's faster than a blink. Even for an F1 driver, that's not enough time to react, right?
Exactly. The article explores why Git waits only 100 milliseconds before executing the corrected command. It's not the default behavior, mind you. By default, Git simply tells you the command doesn't exist and suggests similar ones.
So how did this 100 milliseconds delay even come about? Some kind of historical accident?
You bet. It all goes back to 2008. A Git maintainer jokingly suggested a patch to auto-execute the most similar command if only one was found. And, get this, he suggested using deciseconds as the unit of time for the delay before execution.
Deciseconds? Seriously, that's unconventional, to say the least. So, a decisecond is 0.1 seconds, right? Why not just use seconds?
Precisely. And the article points out that nobody ever questioned this bizarre unit. The setting, help.autocorrect, was initially a Boolean. Setting it to 1 meant true, enabling the auto-execution. But because of the decisecond unit, 1 actually meant a 100 milliseconds delay.
So DHH unknowingly set it to true and got the super fast autocorrect. Classic. What are the other options for this setting now?
Oh, it's gotten more sophisticated. You can set it to 0. Default, just show suggestions. A positive number, wait that many deciseconds. Immediate, prompt for confirmation, or never.
Prompt sounds like the most sensible option. A simple yes-no confirmation would be much better than a 100 milliseconds race against the clock.
Absolutely. The article even suggests a fix to interpret a 1 as immediate instead of 100 milliseconds, making it more intuitive. It's a testament to the power of open source that even seemingly minor quirks can be addressed.
It's amazing how a seemingly small detail can have such a big impact. And the Levenstein distance algorithm for the suggestion is pretty clever too.
It is. It measures the edit distance between the mistyped command and existing ones. But it has a cutoff, so it doesn't make completely wild guesses at that. It's a fascinating blend of simplicity and effectiveness.
This whole thing is a great example of how even well-established software can have unexpected quirks. It highlights the importance of clear documentation and user-friendly configurations.
Precisely. And it shows the beauty of open source, the ability to identify, discuss, and improve upon these quirks. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the surprisingly fast world of Git Autocorrect. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.